Bro, there's a giant vulture going around here. It's like in between the trees. You can't really see it because apparently I guess the camera quality is like so dookie, but there's a giant vulture just circling here. I don't know where it is. Excuse me. There's like a giant vulture just circling. It's like up there somewhere. But it was like real low. It was like over here and stuff. Like, I want to say like 200 meters up. I want to say like, well, not 200. Like 200 to 300 meters up. I want to say. But like 100. No, not even 300. Like 100. It's like up there. I just saw it. It's like 100, 200 meters up. And I don't know where it is. But I don't know where it went. But there's two of them. Look, there it is. There's that vulture. It's not the same one, but it was like 2 or 3 just circling. It was like 2 or 3 just circling here, and I don't know where. But they were just circling around this area. So, yeah. But they were some giants. I can tell you that. They were some giants. Jeez. They were some young vultures. I don't know if they were turkey vultures, or bald eagles, but I don't know. But all I know is that they were... Look, there it is! Look! You see how low that is? Oh my God! Jesus, that's low! Oh my God! Look, there's the other one. Oh my God! Jeez, I knew you would see them. Look, there's 3. That's 3 right there.